So class, now we know that plants do photosynthesis for their food, but there are some plants who don't have those potential to do photosynthesis, so they go for non-photosynthetic modes of nutrition that is found in some plants like Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, amarbel, etc. So class, now we are going to discuss in details about these different type of non-photosynthetic mode of nutrition that are present in plants. So here we are with our first topic, that is heterotroph. So as you can see in the picture class, it is written as an organism that cannot manufacture its own food and instead obtain its food and energy by taking an organic substance, usually plant or animal matter. So class, now we will study about the different types of heterotrophic nutrition found in plants. For example, our first topic that you can see in the picture is parasitic nutrition. So as you can see in the picture, the definition is given here class. It goes like, this type of nutrition is characterized by participation of two organisms, one is host and the other one is the parasite. So class, here the host plant is that plant on which the parasite plant climb on, and the parasite is that plant that is not able to do any photosynthesis and depends on other plants for their nutrition. In parasitic mode of nutrition, the parasite plant suck all the nutrition that it requires from the host plant. Here we have a very good example of parasitic plant. As you can see, this yellow thread-like structure, that is Cascuta plant actually. This Cascuta plant is not able to do photosynthesis, so it climbs on other plants and put its needle-like structure that is injected into the host plant, and through that needle-like structure it sucks all the nutrition from the host plant to its own body. So class, now the next topic that you can see is insectivorous plants. As you can see in the picture class, it is written as, these plants eat insects for their food. For example, a pitcher plant. Here the pitcher-like structure is the modified part of the leaf. The apex of the leaf forms a lid which can open and close the mouth of the pitcher. Inside the pitcher, there are hairs which are directed downwards. When an insect lands in the pitcher, the lid closes and the trapped insect gets entangled into the hair. The insect is digested by the digestive juices secreted in the pitcher. Such insect-eating plants are called insectivorous plants. As you can see in the picture class, there are two pictures given of this insectivorous plant. The first one on the left side is the pitcher plant itself, and the second one on the right side is the Venus flytrap plant. Now class, the next topic is saprotrophic nutrition. So as you can see in the picture class, it is written here, this mode of nutrition in which organisms take in nutrients in the solution form from dead and decaying matter is called saprotrophic nutrition. Plants which use saprotrophic mode of nutrition are called saprotrophs. So class, you can see there are two pictures here, one at the top and one at the bottom. These are known as fungi. You might have seen packets of mushrooms sold in the vegetable market. You may have seen fluffy umbrella-like patches growing on rotting wood during the rainy season. These organisms are called fungi. They have a different mode of nutrition. They secrete digestive juices on the dead and decaying matter and convert it into a solution. Then they absorb the nutrients from it. This mode of nutrition, in which organisms take in nutrients in solution form from a dead and decaying matter, is known as saprotrophic nutrition. Plants which use saprotrophic mode of nutrition are known as saprotrophs. So class, our next topic is symbiotic nutrition. As you can see in the picture class, some organisms live together and share shelter and nutrients. This is called symbiotic relationship. For example, certain fungi live in the roots of trees. The tree provide nutrients to the fungi and in return receive help from it to take up water and nutrients from the soil. This association is very important for the tree. In organisms like lichens that you can see in the picture, these two pictures are the example of lichens only. Here in lichens, a chlorophyll containing partner which is an alga. Alga is a very primitive type of plant and a fungus live together. The fungus provides shelter, water, and mineral to the alga, and in return, the alga provide food which it prepares by photosynthesis. So class, this was all about the non-photosynthetic mode of nutrition that is found in different plants. Here some plants follow parasitic mode of nutrition, some follow symbiotic nutrition, and some are insectivorous plants. I hope class all of you have understood it well. That's all for today's class. Thank you class.